Hi, I'm Cameron Smith. I lead the offshore team at Mainstream Renewable Power. And in the next 90 seconds, I'll explain why we will be in for wind at COP26. At Mainstream, we are in for leading the transition to a sustainable world and grasping the enormous opportunities offered by offshore wind. The Mainstream team has developed 20% of the offshore wind capacity that is, or shortly will be, powering UK homes and industries today, including what is still the world's largest offshore wind farm at Hornsea. But this is just the start. Offshore wind can meet the world's entire electricity demand 18 times over. Yet with global installations totaling just 35 gigawatts today, we are only tapping into 0.05% of the world's offshore wind potential. Crucially, also, we are in to make sure that the huge economic opportunities that this unique transition will bring are grasped by the supply chains and the communities in which we operate. Indeed, our own partnership with Siemens, developing the SMartWind group of projects, was instrumental in delivering the Hull turbine blade facility, which has been a catalyst for the development of the renewable energy cluster in the Humber, already creating more than 1,000 jobs with ambitious expansion plans in progress. And finally, at Mainstream, we are in for greater offshore wind ambition from governments. I have the great privilege to co-chair the ORIC Catapult's Floating Offshore Wind Centre of Excellence. And earlier this year, we called on the UK government to double its target for floating wind installations around Britain to 2 gigawatts by 2030. And we showed that early stage support for technological development can rapidly drive down costs, enabling in floating wind's case the development of another 4 gigawatt subsidy-free. That is just one example of why offshore wind is a win-win for both economies and net zero climate action. We're at the start of the biggest transformation and the biggest opportunity in generations. At Mainstream, we're in. Are you?